Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to block and stop emails from anyone you don't want to receive emails from in Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, you need to come and open up your internet and come across to your Outlook or Hotmail. And I'm already logged in, so that's just going through now. So to block messages from a user from a certain email address, you just need to click on the one that you want to block the emails coming through from. So I'm going to use this Trade-In-212 as an example. And if you look at the top, there's a few options here. And what you need to do is click onto this one which says junk. And then all you need to do is click this option here which says block. And it's just going to come up with a quick confirmation message saying that this message will be deleted and all future messages from noreply@trading212.com or whichever email address will not come to your mailbox. All you need to do is hit the OK button, and that's the email address blocked. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there will be a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.